natin yan. Pero pag
Okay, guys. Today I'm gonna show you how to make emoji cats. Don't mind all this. First you need this. Oops. Put it down to get more like this is an emoji cat, so don't copy it. Here we go. Then you just add to this. Pets. I don't have much time to do. Here we guys. And then you put but this is a bit. And then you get that last gonna like classy, go here, like that, and then take it like this, so you won't be invisible. I don't if I'm right or wrong. My gosh, it's only 1 minute. And then you just go here. I'm not going to turn fast to you guys over years. I'm so sorry. There's only you put a random number. Then you do that, and then this is my emoji. Don't dare call. And my emoji cat is me. YouTube fans, and then oh wait, I don't need to do that. This is actually and then this is my emoji.
Wagi mo hilagot, Robin Padilla.
For more videos, bye.